Hey guys, my name is Dakshi Gupta and welcome back to my channel Code with Dakshi. So guys, in this video I will tell you about what are OOPs. Okay, so guys, first of all I want to tell you that OOPs are very important if you are doing Python. Right, so OOPs is a very important part of Python. Okay guys, so first of all let's talk about what are OOPs. So before practical knowledge we have to learn about theoretical knowledge first, right? If we know that what is the theory of this thing, then only we are comfortable to doing the practical part. Am I right guys? So without wasting any time, let's start what are OOPs. So OOPs are a way of writing computer program using objects to stand for data and methods known as OOPs. So what are objects? So guys, in OOPs, objects and classes, these two are the main thing. Okay, so in this part you have to know about what are objects and what are classes. In further parts I will tell you about objects and classes. Okay, so first of all let's talk about the basic of OOPs, procedure oriented programming. Okay, so first, what is the full form of OOPs? Object oriented programming system, right? So first of all guys, in this part I took a equals to 34, b equals to 23 and print total is a plus b, right? So this is the basic of this part. In my previous videos I told you that how can we count a plus b by using simple coding, right? I think you remember guys. If not, so let's do this code with me. Okay, so I am taking here a 34, b 23, total is a plus b. Okay, so if I run this code, I am getting here total is 57, because as we know that 34 plus 23 is 57, right? So now let's talk about what is class. Before object, I want to tell you about what is class. So guys, I think you have seen, let me take one example with you. I want to take student form. Okay, sorry. Right. So guys, in this, as you can see that this is the student information. As you all know that in our school days teachers gave us one form. Okay, so they told us that please fill this form because you are taking the admission in our school. Okay, so this is the very good example of class, right guys? So class is a blueprint or template or form. Classes don't take memory by their own, right? So guys, classes are this only, right? This is the form, this is the template. Okay, this is known as class. As you can see that student's name, nickname, birthday, I think it's not clear, it's a blur image. I have to take another image. I think this is better guys. Okay, so in this part as you can see that name, date of birth, age, child's home address, phone. Right? So this is the class. Okay, after this, so how can I do addition? I want to add two numbers. Okay, I want total of A plus B. So how can I get that? With the help of class. Okay, so as you can see that class number, then def of sum self. Why we are using self here? Just leave it, guys. You have to write self. And why we are using self here, I will tell you in next video. Okay, so guys, oops is not a small thing, it's a biggest thing. Okay, it's a biggest part, it's a biggest topic. So I have to cover oops into, I think, 2 or 3 videos. Okay, because it is not a small thing. Okay, then return of self dot A plus self dot B. Now number equals to number dot A equals to 11, number dot B equals to 21, and S equals to number dot sum. So I think you guys will ask me that, Dakshi, this is so confusing. What are you trying to say about? What are you talking about? Right. So in my class, okay, I have def of sum self. So I want sum. Okay, I want addition part. That's why I'm using here sum. Then return of self dot A, because in this bracket I used here self. So guys, if I am doing something, I have to return also. Okay, if I am going somewhere, okay, then I have to come back to my home also. Right? So if you are starting something, you have to end it, or you have to return it at the same time. Okay, so that's why I'm using here return self dot A. Self is in my bracket, so self dot A plus self dot B, because I want A plus B. What is the output of A plus B with the help of oops class? Okay, so as you can see that number equals to number, then number dot A equals to 11, number dot B equals to 21, and sorry, S equals to number dot sum of print of S. Why I am using here number dot sum? Because guys, if I am not using number dot sum, so how can the system will think that I want addition of this or I want anything else? So I have to add it first, because I want to add it, right? So if I'm doing this part, guys, the system will interpret that 11 plus 21 will become 32. Right? I think this is very easy. So let's go ahead without wasting any time. So guys, in oops we have two cases. First of all, Pascal case and camel case. So what is Pascal case? What is camel case? Right. I want to tell you in this. Okay. So Pascal case, in this, employee name equals to Pascal case, and first difference of Pascal case and camel case is, in this, as you can see that Pascal, in this P and C both are capital, and in camel case, first C and second C, first is small and second C is capital. Right? So in this I have is numeric, is float, and in this employee name. Right? So this is the difference of Pascal and camel case. I hope you are getting my point. So after this, after my class, I want to tell you about what is object and what is the difference between object and classes. So object is an instance of a class. Memory will allocate after object detection only. So guys, in classes don't take memory by their own, but in object, memory will allocate after object detection only. For example, color, name, table, bag, barking. When you send a message to an object, you are asking the object to invoke or execute one of its method as defined in the class. So after class only, we will do object. Okay, so first of all, I have to send a message to an object. Okay, then only it will execute it. If I am not giving any message to that, so how can they execute the code, right? So the definition which I gave in classes, that definition will be executed in object, right? So in this I am taking here class of school form. I am taking here an example of school form. I think then only you will understand clearly that what I am trying to explain to you guys. So this is my class. Okay, let me tell you in very easy way. Okay, I want to use my epic pen here, right? So guys, I think this example will be easy for you guys. Okay, let me open this. Okay, right, I want to take yellow color in this. So this is my school form. It's not visible. I have to erase it. Black. It's not doing something. Okay. Why? Okay. Yeah. So this is my class. Okay. My class name is school form. Okay. So after my class name, my next question is, what is the type of my form? So as you can see that my form type is school form. Okay, so then def of print data of self. Why I am using self, I will tell you in my next video. Okay, so I have to print data first, then only my next code will become. I want two things only, name and my date of birth. Okay, so print of my name is self.name, print my DOB is self.dob, DOB is date of birth. Okay, so this is easy. So Dakshi's application equals to school form. Then Dakshi's application dot name is Dakshi, it's my name. Dakshi's application dot dob 03081999 is my dob. Okay, then Dakshi's application dot print data. With the help of print data, I will get my output, because as you can see here, right, as you can see that in this part I'm introducing my print data. Then only if I'm writing here Dakshi's application dot print data, then only my code will execute. Okay, because I had started here, so I have to end here also. That's why I'm using these things here. Okay, so I think you all are getting my point. So this is the end of this video. I hope you all are good. So please take care, guys. I think you understand about what are oops. Okay, so let's meet in next video, and I promise you guys that I will upload videos daily now. In last 4 to 5 days I was busy, but now I am free and I will upload videos. Okay, so thank you so much and please support me.